just so good and tasty. Alright, let's try. Here we go. Yum! Carrots and oatmeal, just like Gong Gong. Mmm, tasty. Another spoonful. Slurp it back. Sign that it tastes really good. But keep it in. Keep it in. Good work. Eating is so much fun. Oh my goodness, what a big mess! What a big mess! Any more? Definitely. Oh, are you all done? One more. Just finish that off. I'm not sure how much more there is. There's more outside than in. Okay, good job, Maya.